Hi there everybody, we're going to do the show me tell me questions for under the bonnet on a Skoda Citigo. Before we get started though, if you're new to the channel, click on the like button, click on that subscribe. Take care, enjoy the short video. So we're in a, which kind of car is this again?
A Skoda Citigo.
We're in a Skoda Citigo, we're going to do the bonnet questions. So where's the windscreen wash kept? And I'll just check it.
It's kept here.
Yeah.
And you would check it because there will be either a sensor, depending on the type of car you have, or a minimum and maximum line.
Right. Where's your engine coolant kept?
Here.
And I'll check that.
You check it because there's a minimum and maximum line, so you just checked it.
Yeah. And where's your engine oil kept? I'll check that.
It's kept here, and you would check by taking the stick out, wiping it with something, and then put it back in, take it back out, and then there's a line on the stick itself, and if it's below the line then it needs filling.
And your final one, where's the brake fluid kept?
Right at the back here.
Yeah.
And on some cars like this there'd be a sensor, or there'd be a maximum and minimum line again.
Thank you.